Hey guys, it's MEC, and I just picked up my copy of Toy Story 3. And today, same day, I also got the new Disney Cars Mater's Tall Tales. But today we're talking about Toy Story 3. I got this from Disney store. So if you buy at Disney, you also get this poster. It's a lenticular 3D poster. So let's open this and see how it looks inside, shall we? Four discs, Blu-ray of the movie, Blu-ray special features, DVD of the movie, and digital copy. Well, the fun thing about a Disney DVD or Blu-ray is the future releases. They always bring these booklets with the future releases. So here's the Cars, talking about the Cars, which is the same one as I already got. So let's see what's coming next. Here's a toy, Buzz Lightyear toy, Toy Story 3 on Ice, shampoo, and Santa Paws in Blu-ray. Bambi, now that's a cool one. Bambi, March 2011. Sorcerer's Apprentice. Fantasia. Yeah, a lot of people are waiting for this. And so is my wife. Fantasia. Fantasia is going to be a 4-disc. Santa Paws. And finally, Alice in Wonderland. Alice is coming out in Blu-ray, guys. Spring 2011. And of course, Incredibles. Now it's time to place the disc in my steelbook. But since this one is a really cool design, I'm gonna leave the Blu-ray here and just switch the DVD. See, now I have the DVD in my steelbook, and the rest of the collection in my blue case. Well, I don't really like much these cases, and since it's a 4-disc, I already replaced this with my UK Amaray case, so it's much nicer. See, I can easily have 3 discs here. So digital copy goes here, bonus, Blu-ray, nice, much better, cooler case, and the steelbook. Keep watching. Soon I'm gonna do another review for Mater's Tall Tales.